Let's make another digital stamp design. I'm going to show you one of my favorite stamps I made in this Easter set. Look how cute and detailed. It's even got chocolate Easter bunnies. You have the options inside this wreath to put different wording. I'll show you at the end of the video, but let's just enjoy the coloring in of the shapes, choosing your colors. It's so relaxing. Who would you make this for? Would you make it into a card? Would you print it out and hang it on your refrigerator? Would you put it in a frame? There's so many things that you can do with your stamped images. It's also fun to color your Easter eggs on digitally so you're not making a mess with that food coloring everywhere. One thing right here is watch and be careful. I tapped on a line. You don't want to tap on a line or that's going to color in that line. You want to make sure that you tap inside of the lines or outside of the lines, but not on it. And here I'm going to show you, I have the Lord is my shepherd, Psalm, the 23rd Psalm that you can use inside your eggs, or the Lord is my shepherd. And I have some other sayings too. Which one of these would you pick?